Hi, good evening, everyone. So we are going to do the end of the day review. So today, the first thing is that we entered the TAN ETF, TAN. This is the solar sector ETF. Has some utility companies and some solar power generator companies in these. So this has reached the extreme oversold level. It had a shock reaction to Trump victory, and had a very big, huge gap down, and this selling actually continued, and now we have reached a very key level as per SARAL model, so we have started buying. So this was the first thing, and then JNJ. So JNJ is in the counter trend trade, and it has reached another key pivot where SARAL will add to its position. In the counter trend system we add positions in tranches, so I will add another equal weight position in JNJ. Another counter trend trade is Pfizer. So Pfizer has now again reached a very key oversold level. So this if this low is broken, this intraday low that was made today, if we trade below this, then we will start buying. We will add to our position again. As of now, no. But if this level of 25.90, but 25.90 is broken and we trade below it, and then we will add to our position. So this was one. Let's look at S&P 500. So S&P 500 futures, had a mixed day today. It went up, took resistance, came down. So SARAL levels that we gave today, if you look at the SARAL VIX levels, so the SARAL levels that we had given were 6059 and 54 was resistance, and 06 and 00 was support, and A2 was the stop loss. Let's see what happened here. So the market went 6027, and what time it opened? Yeah, it opened at around 6040 in the morning, and exactly at 603 6040, yeah, the level was 604. Yeah, it never went up and touched the higher levels, came down and touched both the levels of the day, the lower levels, 006 and 6000, and almost came very close to the daily range or the lower level, which was given as 82, and we reversed exactly from that range and went up and got a full 20-25 point follow through during the day. So this was good. Some of the other ETFs that are on our buy list. So this is KORU, KORU, South Korea 3x leverage. So this one has been in a downfall. So there was a low made, then it went up, and this was where we got into break even with it. But it has continued to sell off and has reached another extreme level. We added yesterday to our open position. Today also, if this would have closed below 60, which it touched, but it went up, we would have added. So we will hold on to this position, and there is a big gap that has been formed. So, and there are other gaps also which are on the upper side, but this fall has given us. Let's see how this plays out. We have bought this one time. We can buy it more. Let's see. Today we didn't buy it because it didn't trigger the buy signal for us. Another ETF which has reached the new averaging range is EPHE. This is the Philippines index. So the Philippines index has also reached a new level where we will add more. So tomorrow, if it trades below this level or even touches the low, we might trigger a buy. On the commodity side, if you look at the wheat has now again tried went up, and it's now got into a buy zone. So we've added wheat. Wheat is the ETF for wheat futures. Now let's look at USO and the crude oil. So crude oil futures again, opened up around 1.5%, then fizzled out, and we are at a key level, but the new buying levels have not triggered. So we will just keep holding the positions. I had a long position on this signal, which is now completely gone against me. So as I was hedged, my losses here is minimal. So I will be able to hold on to this position if it, and I will decide whether I have to roll over to the new series or not. So this is it on the stock side. Uh, I mean, another thing that we that is on our radar is Verizon. So Verizon we added in our oversold strategy, counter trend, and today it again came into the annual volume node, high volume node, and took very strong support there. So there is a possibility that we might have a follow through here. Tomorrow there are CPI numbers, so we don't really watch CPI and PPI very closely, but still, let's see how it pans out. Thank you guys. If you have any questions, let me know. Link to our website, our Twitter channel, and our free Telegram channel are there on the list. Thanks.